AI tools can do for you. AI tools can make your daily life easy. In this video, I am gonna tell you about AI tools that can help you start making money on your own. Make sure you watch video till end. These AI tools will change your world. Save it for later. First AI tool is ChatGPT. Many of you have already heard of it. ChatGPT offers conversational, if somewhat stilted, responses. The bot remembers the thread of your dialogue, using previous questions and answers to inform its next responses. It derives its answers from huge volumes of information on the internet. ChatGPT is a big deal. Here you can ask any query, and ChatGPT will give you a response in many ways. You can also ask ChatGPT to write programs for you in any language you want. Second AI tool is Podcastle. Podcastle is the easiest way to create your podcast. It's a web-based platform that enables podcasters and other creators to record, edit, enhance, transcribe, and export their content with unmatched simplicity. Many of you have the question that what does Podcastle AI do? Podcastle AI is a promising Armenia-based startup that uses artificial intelligence AI to convert news into podcasts in seconds. Again, a question is asked that how to transcribe a speech to text with Podcastle. Upload your audio recording or record your speech with Podcastle. Right-click on your audio track and choose Transcribe. Export your automated transcription as a text file and share it with others. Third tool is copy.ai. AI supports all major types of copy: sales copy, social media posts, blog content, website tools, product descriptions, personal copy support, books and plots, as well as digital ad copies. A revolutionary technology that uses machine learning and neural networks to produce long-form content with minimal inputs. Copy.ai allows you to generate human-like text within seconds. I've been using it for a while alongside Jarvis, and it helped me create better headlines, email subject lines, meta descriptions, and blog intros. Some main features are: generate blog intros using the pain agitate solution formula, write better digital ad copy and bullet points, create catchy email subject lines, quickly generate Amazon product descriptions, create ad copy for Facebook and Google. Most of you already know about Canva. Canva makes designing beautiful creative assets easy for everyone. From social media images, videos, and GIFs to posters, websites, booklets, multimedia presentations, and heaps more, Canva is an invaluable tool for helping you level up your design skills, even if you're just getting started. Canva is always free for every individual and team. However, if you want to unlock premium features, individuals can upgrade to Canva Pro to easily create professional designs and content. Fourth tool is Flicky. Flicky is a text-to-video and text-to-speech creator powered by generative AI that helps you create quality audio and video content in minutes. The speech recognition model works by using artificial intelligence AI to analyze your voice and language, identify by learning the words you're saying, and then output those words with transcription accuracy as model content or text dart on a screen. Fifth tool is SoundDraw. SoundDraw is an innovative composition tool for creators. Create songs that match your content perfectly in minutes and with no music composition knowledge. The service offers a free trial version and paid plans for the user. Here you can find music and use it on your videos. It's free. Sixth tool is Tome app. Anyone can express ideas naturally with Tome, enabling them to quit constructing PowerPoint presentations and start telling stories. Type in a prompt and watch Tome generate entire narratives from scratch or create additional content pages within seconds. Now I will tell you how you can generate income using all these AI tools. You can start creating small blogs using Copy.ai, create small videos using AI tools, create music, edit and then upload on YouTube. Thanks for watching. For more such videos on AI tools, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends.